This is a Amada 16-inch horizontal bandsaw, fully automatic. You put a 4x4 in there, sped up the blade just so you could see the cycling. You'll see the vise bring in. Got it set just for blocks. The back vise goes back, retracts, clamps again, gets ready for the next shuttle. Hasn't been cleaned or painted, just got it in. You saw the shuttle vise moving forward, release, clamping again. It also has the rear rollers, and it does have the nesting feature. We took it off for this demonstration. There are quick release disconnects on there. They plug in. Now you just run it manually. It's got the 1.5-inch blade on it. Shows 7.5 horsepower.
This is the length.
For your length?
I had it at 4-inch before.
Oh, okay.
I'm showing it, and then I can press you to go back further.
You can see the 4-inch blocks. Got a bunch of them just to run it. That's your stop. For setting up. So it looks like it's set for 13.25.
That's just a single line shuttle.
Just a single cut, manual setup.